Many types of specialized cells in our body, like somatic cells and germ cells. Somatic cells make up most of our body tissue and organs. Germ cells are cells in your reproductive organs, the ovaries of the testes, that develop into gametes, and gametes are sex cells, like ova or eggs in the female, and for male are spermatozoa. Gametes are haploid cells, meaning that a cell has only one copy of each chromosome. Our body cells are diploid, means a cell has two copies of each chromosome, one from your mother and one from your father. Homologous chromosomes are two chromosomes, one inherited from the mother and one from the father. These chromosomes have copies of the same genes, although the two copies may differ. Chromosome pairs through 22 make up your autosomes. Chromosomes that contain genes for characteristics not directly related to the sex of an organism. And the 23rd pair is called the sex chromosomes, that control the development of sexual characteristics in all mammals. An organism's sex is determined by the XY system. Double X chromosomes is female, XY is male. Our body cells have 23 pairs of chromosomes for a total of 46 that are divided in half from your mother and half from your father. Together, each pair of chromosomes is referred as a homologous pair. Haploid cells are the end result of meiosis, yet the cells aren't ready for fertilization until going to gametogenesis, the reproduction of gametes. So let's start with our meiosis process. In prophase 1, the nuclear membrane breaks down, and the centrosomes and centrioles begin to move, and spindle fibers start to assemble. The duplicated chromosomes condense, and homologous chromosomes begin to pair up. Then comes metaphase 2. Spindle fibers align the homologous chromosomes along the cell equator. Each side of the equator has chromosomes from both parents. The next phase, called anaphase 1, goes in the pairing of homologous chromosomes separate from each other and move towards opposite sides of the cell. Sister chromatins remain attached. Telophase is the stage that closes meiosis. Oh,
Technical difficulties.
telophase is the stage that closes meiosis 1, when the spindle fibers disassemble and the cell undergoes cytokinesis. Meiosis 2 is the second part of this process that divides into other stages. The purpose of this stage is that it divides sister chromatins, and the overall process produces haploid cells. The first stage of meiosis 2 is called prophase 2. The chromosomes and centrioles move opposite sides of the cell, and spindle fibers start to assemble. Next phase is metaphase. Makes the spindle fibers align the chromosomes along the cell equator. Anaphase 2 is the stage after metaphase, making the sister chromatins being pulled apart from each other and moves to opposite sides of the cell. Finally, telophase closes this process by making the nuclear membranes form again around the chromosomes. The spindle fibers break apart and the cell undergoes cytokinesis. Our conclusion. Before meiosis begins, DNA has already been copied. Meiosis 1 divides homologous chromosomes, producing two haploid cells with duplicated chromosomes. Meiosis 2 divides sister chromatins and results in undoubled chromosomes. There are differences between these two processes of cell division, between mitosis and meiosis. During meiosis, homologous chromosomes pair up along the cell equator. During mitosis, homologous chromosomes never pair up. Another difference is that in anaphase 1 of meiosis, sister chromatins remain together. In anaphase of mitosis, sister chromatins separate. Another difference could be meiosis results in haploid cells and mitosis results in duplicated cells. Thank you.